Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Josh back. This is day 9 of the boot camp, I believe. I need to start knowing these things, dude. It's kind of important to know what day I'm on. But today we're going to be going over risk management and psychology as being a prop firm day trader. Two of the most, besides strategy, these are the two most important things. Only other things you need to worry about besides strategy is having risk management and having good round-minded psychology. So let's get into some risk management rules. So you could have a 100% win rate. You could have a 99%, not 100, a 99% win rate, and you could still be unprofitable. You could make $1,000. You could make $100. Here, let's restart that. You can make $1 a day. That's a dollar. That's easier math for me. You can make $1 every day for 99 days and be up $99. But on the last day, if you lose $100, then you're down a buck. You're unprofitable. You're not making any money. So you could win 99 times, and on the last day, the last trade, you lose everything. You're not profitable. So here are some of my rules that I have that I always tell people is risk what you're comfortable risking. You see people online risking thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. 5 NQ on a trade, 2 NQ, a 50-point stop, risking $2,000. If you yourself aren't comfortable risking that, then you're gonna keep failing. If you yourself is only comfortable risking $500 a trade, then risk $500. Stop comparing what you're able to do to what somebody else is able to do. Because all you know, somebody who's risking $2,000 already has $100K in their bank account. If they lose a set of accounts risking heavy, it's not gonna hurt their pockets. Versus you, who only has $1,000 in their bank account, you can't really afford prop firm accounts like that to keep blowing them. Like it hurts your pockets when you have to spend another $100 to buy a new account. So risk what you're comfortable risking. It'll make you not hesitate on setups. They'll make you not be scared to lose. You're risking $1,000. You're scared to enter a trade. Like, damn, I don't want to lose. If I lose, I blow my account. I have to buy a new one. If you're comfortable risking $500, okay, I risk 500. I lose 500. All right, I lose. I make that shit back the next day. It's not the end of the world. Makes you not hesitate. Makes you not revenge trade because you just lost a lot of money. Like, it flickers your brain. Like, damn, I need to get this shit back. Like, I need this money back now. If you're comfortable risking $500, you lose 500. All right, it's fine. Keep that shit pushing. It's not the end of the world. And then this is for my strategy. We take a lot of like 1-to-1s, a lot of 1-to-2s. So at least take a 1-to-1. At least. Don't be taking no TP at 30 points, stop loss at 40 points. Like, no, don't do that. In the long run, it's gonna fail. At least a 1-to-1. If you're taking a 1-to-1, you should be profitable with a 51% win rate. Straight up. And that's straight guessing. The chart either goes up or it goes down. You basically already have a 50% chance of winning. So you just get a little bit of discretion. You know a little bit about the charts, and you boost that shit up to 70%, 80%. Bro, you're dead profitable. You're getting payouts every month. And then consistency over big wins. Number one, not every day is a day where market's gonna trend and you can catch a big move. That's not how it works. It's not how it works. Some days we range 100 points. Other days we might trend 500 points in the direction you could catch a banger fucking day. It's not the same every day. And then, so consistency over big wins. So let's say you make $3,000. So there's two different. You hit a big trade, or you do 5 little 1-to-1 trades. You hit one big trade for plus 3,000. You just made $3,000. Damn, day one you made $3,000. Now day two, you go, you try making $3,000 again. You're up 1,000, and it comes back, stops you break even. All right, so that's another day. That shit happens to you 4 more days, because once again, you're not guaranteed 150 points on one NQ every day. You're gonna get some banger trades, but a lot of the times you're gonna get stop break even. So you have that, or you have the other way. What we do, you take 5 trades and you TP at 630 points every time. $600, $600, $600, 600, and 600. That's 5 days. You can have payout, and those 5 $600 days, that's $3,000. You have a better peace of mind because you hit TP every day. You're happy. You have a peace of mind that you have your winning days now too. You can request payout. You have, with the going for the bigger winning days, you're gonna be mad at yourself because you were just up $1,000 and you didn't TP and you just made that shit basically go back down, break even. So you're thinking like, damn, I basically just lost $1,000. And two, being in a trade with the 1-to-1 TPing at 30 points, you're in the trade for maybe a candle, maybe 2, maybe 3 candles. Like you're in and out like that. With the trade you TPing at 3 bands, 100, 200 points, you're gonna be in that trade for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. Like that's stressful on the mind, seeing your P&L just fluctuate. Like it's a lot more peace of mind TPing at 30 points and doing that shit 5 days in a row versus a big day, going for big days every day. Now don't get it fucked up. There's still some days where you could catch an 80, 100 point trade because you have a clear draw on liquidity and you can take it to the draw. Not every day is like that. It's rare. Maybe one time, maybe 2 times every 2 weeks. Maybe. Almost every day you can catch a trade for 30 points with our strategy. Because our strategy is strictly, every day, the 99% of people, the retail traders, are losing their money to the stock market. They are actively hitting stop loss. If you just wait until you know where they're putting their stop losses and where they're entering and where they're losing, and you just do the opposite of that, bro, you're gonna be green 99% of the time. You're green 99. Holy shit, you're green 99% of the time. They're red 99% of the time. You're just doing damn near the opposite of what they're doing. You're seeing where they're getting FOMO'd into the market, and you just take the other way. And then make a plan and stick to it. Make a plan and stick to it. Figure out what setups you like. I want to take this setup. I'm gonna risk $500 every day, and stick to it. Don't switch it up. Don't stick to it for 2 days and then the third day do some other shit. No, stick and be consistent with your plan and your routine. So account risk. So we pretty much everyone in our group, we pretty much trade 50Ks. 50K Lucid, 50K Tradeify. Like we trade 50K accounts. So with those, you have $2,000 drawdown. You can lose is 2,000, and you have to make 3,000 for the eval phase. So if we have $2,000, if you're risking 500 per trade, it'll take you 4 losses in a row. 4 good losses in a row to blow your shit. That's really, that's like, that with our strategy, that's impossible. If you're taking good setups, that's impossible. Like I'll say 80% just for the sake of, it's really like 85, 90, 90% is really what it is. If I have 80% win rate, what is odd I lose 4 in a row? So if you have an 80% win rate, the odds of losing 4 trades in a row, and that's another reason why we take one trade. You take one trade, you win or lose, you get off. Because the one trade you take, your edge is present. You have no emotions. You win or lose, I don't care. I get off. But once you win or lose, that's when the emotions start to play and you just made $600. Now you don't want to lose this 600 you just made. Or you lose 600 and now you start thinking, damn, I need to make that money back. So now like your edge just lessened. You're not trading with an edge anymore. You're just trading with straight emotions. So before you going into trading day, it's just you and your edge. No emotions, no nothing. So one trade a day, just you and your edge. So if this is just edge, no emotion, 80% win rate. You losing 4 in a row are 0.16%. That's less than 1%. That's less than 1%. 1 in 625 that you're going to lose 4 trades in a row. That's impossible. Let's say you want to risk 600 on an eval. What's the odds you lose 3 in a row? Are 0.8, not even 1%, 1 in 125. Like, it is rare with our strategy. It is rare. Really rare. You should be losing, let alone more than one time. Like, if you take a loss, okay, like, you take a loss, it's fine. You get that shit back. If you lose again back to back, okay, you're fucking up. If you lose again 3 times in a row, it's you fucking up. You. 4 times in a row, it's like you don't even know the strategy. You're not even trading. Like, it's impossible to lose 4 trades in a row. It's impossible. So if you risk 500, you should almost never blow an account. If you're following your 1 trade a day, you're following the 500 risk, and you're actually taking a setup with your strategy, you shouldn't blow your account. You shouldn't. So then lockout. So this is good. So if you're on Trade C, you can literally go to your settings, go to risk settings, and set your maximum loss limit. So let's say you're comfortable only risking $500. Bro, set your shit to $550. Set your shit to $550. Once you lose $550, it automatically, you don't even have a choice anymore. It automatically locks and closes your account for the day. You can't do anything else. You can't revenge trade. You can't unlock it. You're forced to wait until end of day. And you might think like, damn, bro, I can't trade anymore. Bro, that shit just saved you from crashing out. That just saved your account from you not needing to go buy another eval and trade eval tomorrow. And then, if you're on Top Step, this is even better than trade. So you have trade lockout. You can set, I'm taking 1 trade no matter what. No matter what, I'm taking 1 trade, and then my account's getting locked. So I have to take the best possible trade. If the market, if it's only giving me 1 trade to take. So that's gonna be it for this one. Going over psychology and risk management. It is the most important thing. Besides strategy is really important. You gotta have a good strategy, but you need to have good psychology. You need to have risk management. You can't go into the day not knowing if your account's gonna be blown or not. You shouldn't have a fresh funded. You passed your funded yesterday. You're going today a fresh funded. You shouldn't be blowing your account. If you're on your last day, like, damn, I only have $500 in my account. Maybe it could get blown today. Yeah, because you take a loss, you lose 500, your shit's done. There's no way you lose $2,000 if you're following your risk management plan of $500 stop loss, 1 trade. I get off no matter what, win or lose. There's no way you blow your account like unexpectedly, and it's just like you're just emotion, and you just lost everything. That should not happen. And the profitable traders, people who are taking money from the stock market every single week, every single day, every single month consistently, they don't do that shit. They follow their risk management plan. They follow their psychology, and they know when. Because once again, we're all human. We're human at the end of the day. We're not robots. People always say, bro, you need to trade like a robot. We're not fucking robots. We're human. We have emotions. You just can't act on your emotions. You have to know when, like, damn, okay, like, I'm starting to feel emotions like FOMO. I want to re-enter. I got stopped out. It's going in my direction again. Damn, I just missed a trade. I want to enter late. Hopefully it keeps running. Like, no, like, you can't. You have to see that you're doing that and, like, shut it down, stop it, or even just completely get off the charts in general. You have to be a profitable trader, you have to be able to catch that emotion. You're never going to completely mask it. It's always going to come back up. You just have to be able to control it. So yeah, that's going to be it today. Next bootcamp video, we're probably back on the chart showing more concepts and all that, but I just wanted to get a little talking video in here, talking about risk management and psychology and how you should risk on your accounts, and strictly just risk what you're comfortable risking. If you're only comfortable risking $400, $500, risk $400 or $500. Don't compare what other people are risking. But yeah, that's gonna be it. You guys take care.